I've seen guys up on the roof with a pressure washer
Yeah.
and hot water.
Yeah,
What
I've
do you think
seen
of
that
that?
too. Well, the thing with that is the high pressure for me is no good. Pressure washers are designed to blow dirt away, wash your cars, clean your patio, strip the paint off your deck. So think about it. Yeah, it's hot. It's melting the ice. You're cutting the ice, but you're cutting your shingles, and
Yeah.
you're going to lose a lot of granular off your shingles with that pressure washer.
Blast all
You're
those little
blasting it,
grains
yeah.
right off.
And like the granular is the first line of defense protecting that shingle, right? So they put their recipe when they manufacture those shingles, the tar and the gravel is at the top, right?
Yeah.
So that's what cuts the UV. So by example, let's say I'm putting a sealant on an exposed nail on the roof, and I leave it like this. Within a few years, that caulking will crack, even if it's the best caulking I could buy, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
But if
Because the sun's hitting it
it's hitting it
all day,
it's
every
getting
day.
sun exposure,
Yeah.
and the UV eats it. But if I go down to that gutter and I find a little grit of shingle,
Yeah.
I scoop that up in my hand
No
and I
way.
put it on the caulking.
Do you really?
Yeah, I have a name for that. It's called Parmesan, like Parmesan cheese. So that's just a little detail. I knew you'd like that one. So that's something that I like doing, and I taught my guys to do this.
Yeah.
And yeah, they laughed a little, but if you think about it, now your
That's brilliant.
sealant is protected from the UV.
Yes.
And it blends on the roof. It doesn't look like
Right.
a blob of caulking.
Okay. Because
Yeah.
there's always one spot where you have to have exposed
There's
nails.
gonna be
It's
one-
like the last
Yeah.
shingles on the
A
roof.
shingle on the roof.
So that's what you do.
Yeah. Parmesan.
See.
Get some
See,
Parmesan in the gutter.
Yeah.
Get that in there. Yeah.
That's why you're as good as you are. Is those
It's a
little
little
details.
detail that counts. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
See, after all these years, I'm learning still.
Yeah.
I love it.
Hey,
I love it.
like if you're doing a job and the guy's like, hey, could you remove that satellite dish? It leaves 4 holes there.
Which we do all the time, and we
So?
put caulking there. Now I know.
Now you grab some Parmesan in your gutter,
Yeah.
sprinkle that on top, and call it a day.
Yeah.
You'll never know there was ever a satellite there.
That's awesome. That's good. Okay, so now we get it. We've talked about all the traditional things,
Mhm.
and now one of the things that I want to address on this information session
Yeah.
is this new product. It's not new. It's been around for a while.
Mhm.
It's new to Ottawa, the Ottawa area.
Yeah.
It's new to the basic. I don't even know anybody closer than Toronto that has one of these. I
Me
did
neither,
some
Mike.
research.
Yeah. Like a few weeks ago, or maybe a month, I think I crossed you at the Roof Mart,
Yes.
and you were talking about maybe buying one of these machines. I mean, it's true. Like I've known, being at this since 2003, I know a lot of big companies, a lot of roofers, and I've done a lot of ice removal, and I've never came across someone that had that machine.
Yeah.